I know what you're asking yourself. James, what are you doing in a bathroom? Well, we're at 326 Deerwood Court in the Dells, and this ensuite bathroom is like a spa. We're so excited to be introducing this home to you. 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bath, 2-story home with a basement, 2.5 car garage, fireplace, and your at-home office in case you're working from home these days. Would you take a minute and join us as we show you around this beautiful home? So there you have it, 326 Deerwood Court in the Dells. If you have any questions about how to make this home your home, feel free to call me or text me at 574-551-6051.